Hello everyone, in this video I will share how to change button navigation to gesture navigation on Realme C30. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Okay, first open your settings menu. Okay, next open system. Okay, next open gesture. Okay, next open system navigation. Okay, next you choose gesture navigation. Yup, successfully. Okay, to back like this. Yup, to back like this. Okay, to home like this. Okay, to recent application like this. Yup, again. Yups. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.